Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the second part of my last video in which I showed you how we can integrate Cisco ISE wireless controller and do Dot1x authentication for wireless users. So in this second video, now I will show you how we can bind a policy to wireless user, and in that policy I will attach a VLAN, and that VLAN will be assigned to the user upon authentication. So default VLAN for the SSID will be different, and after authentication, a separate VLAN will be pushed by us. So let me show you show you the VLANs and IPs I currently have. So I will be doing demonstration on this SSID which I used in the last video. So this SSID is Dot1x LDAP. So let's see which VLAN is attached to this one. I go to tags. Dot1x LDAP. The policy is LDAP policy is attached to this WLAN. And if I go to policy, this LDAP policy, so you can see VLAN is wireless guest. Now let's see the VLAN and the IP. Wireless VLAN is 90, wireless guest VLAN is 97, and its IP is this one 192.168.97.x. This is the default VLAN or IP which is bind to this SSID. Okay. Now what I will do, I will push this VLAN 94 through ISE. So nothing to do on the controller. Let's go to Cisco ISE. In Cisco ISE, first we need to create a user. Users I have already created, user 1 and user 2. I will create a group. I will go to groups, user identity group, add, and I will name it as Dot1x underscore VLAN underscore 94. And now I will add user 1 here. Okay. So if I go back to identities, you can see my user 1 is part of new group, and user 2, which we used in the last video, is a part of the group which we created in the last video. So now I will go create a policy result. I'll go to policy result, and here I'll go to authorization profile, and I'll create a new authorization profile. So I will name it as VLAN, we can say Dot1x underscore VLAN underscore 94. Under common task, I will select VLAN, and ID name I will give 94, which is my VLAN ID, and submit. Now I will go to policy, default policy. Authentication policy will be same because it is saying wireless Dot1x and internal users. Now I'll go to authorization. So I have to create one authorization policy for this user. So if you see my old policy, what I did, I created I created another condition. If you see here, so my default condition was the user should be wireless Dot1x, and it should be authenticated from wireless Dot1x group, which is our default group or the previous group. Now I will create another policy. So authorization policy will be Dot1x underscore VLAN underscore 94. Under condition, what I will do, I will select this wireless 802.1x, and I will Go to identity groups, internal identity group, and under this I will select our new group, which is this one, VLAN 94, and then use it. Now under the profile, I will select my profile which I created, in which I used VLAN 94. So if you see the old policy, it is just parameters X, which means the default VLAN it will get, and save. Now I will pause video and do the demonstration on my phone and show it to you. I have done the demonstration, if you see on your screen. So I connected to Dot1x LDAP. It asked me for user and password. I put the username as user2, given the password and join. So ask me to trust, connecting. Here you can see VLAN 97, which is the default VLAN bound to WLAN. Now I will forget this network. Again, connect to it. We'll now go with user 1, which is part of our new group. It should get now VLAN 94, IP from VLAN 94. Connect it. And now you can see got the IP from other VLAN 94, which is pushed through Cisco ISE. That's it. Thank you for watching.